Hi everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and I did a shirt the other day. Times are tough, but we are tougher, and this is another rendition of it. I just like that saying. Okay, we're going to put it on a gray t-shirt. Let's find our center line. Put the shoulder seams and side seams together. Give it a quick press. Okay, now with all adult t-shirts, you want to come down about 3 fingers, 4 fingers from the top. I'm going to find the center line of my vinyl by putting the non-sticky sides together, giving a little press. It's going to go right down that center line, 3 fingers from the top. We don't need to use a release paper on this because there's no other vinyl exposed, but I do it anyway, just to keep in the habit. I have my, I need a little more pressure. I have my heat press set to about 315, I think. 307. Use our cooling block, cools it off quickly. Almost all of our vinyls are cool peels. Now, this last one I did out of pattern vinyl, and it's a camo. And I always like to use a drop shadow when I'm using pattern vinyl. I just think it makes it show up better. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Okay, I'm going to use my Tweety Light. I think my G is slightly crooked, so I'm going to carefully reposition it. I'm just sliding under the letter with my Tweety Light. I think that looks a little better. Okay, very simple, but I didn't want to use any gloomy colors, so I just used camo and white. Thanks, everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.